Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin by powering on and connecting to Wi-Fi. This gives Chrome OS access to updates and settings. Next, sign in with your Google account so apps, Drive, and Preferences sync. Once signed in, make sure to check for system updates and install them now. Updates fix bugs and enable features. Don't skip the terms and privacy prompts, accept them to proceed. After updates finish, you're ready to open the launcher and begin using apps immediately. Once done with sign in, open the launcher and pin the apps you'll use daily to the shelf for quick access. If you rely on Android apps, enable Google Play in settings and follow the prompts. Next, open the Files app to organize local folders and connect Google Drive so documents sync automatically. Add a USB or SD card if needed. Make sure app permissions are appropriate and set default apps for PDFs and images so you don't have to choose each time. You should now personalize your Chromebook. Change the wallpaper, adjust keyboard shortcuts, and enable any accessibility features you need. Install essential Chrome extensions and apps. Make sure automatic backup to Google Drive is on so files are safe. Check security settings, confirm automatic updates, and set a screen lock timeout. If something breaks, restart first. If that fails, try a power wash only after backing up. If Wi-Fi is the issue, forget the network and reconnect with correct credentials.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.